This 2022 Keystone Raptor 415 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, awning, smoke detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, slide-out, spare tire kit, skylight, TV, carbon monoxide detector, oven, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, full wall slide, kitchen island, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Raptor 415 is 15,095 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.